Hello, Emmanuel.
Yes.
Lucky. What can you be found? Akwe. Me nyabe enye school prefect. Nyate be alo alakpai. Oh, sports prefect. Oh, okay. So far gbanye keke tohiade le Abor secondary school ama. En kaklen kai le ji megba.
Egba in science and technology fair. The view ad Wamadam Vuvu Afia Mika Wow Akokbede Kanajukwanchino Ayingo.
Oh, that's great. That's so far Egbanye keke gbanto alun keke nene.
Egbenye je velia ike o won le sukuam.
Okay. That school menene le participating so far.
School about 12 in Ketabu school.
Okay.
Yeah. EP Basic, St. Catherine, St. Paul's, and Josek. School Subo. Wow, Heka Mate Yono wa Yemama Yono.
Okay. Can le fon ko potino making a pobel trophy hoga ko dwe egba.
Egba le trophy hohoma milema oshimo. Kaka nyaba suku amiahui.
Kaka amado ho prepared alo o blan liji.
Do bo blan liji kaka. Miaha mi blan liji do an.
Akwe. Hello Yvonne, you are live on Ewenyigba TV. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
That's great. I like your smile.
Thank you.
So Yvonne, which form are you?
I'm in Form 2.
Okay, that's great. And today is Grand Deba for the fair. That is Science, Technology and Engineering Fair. So what is your expectation?
I'm expecting more from my colleagues in the other schools.
Oh, you are expecting more from your colleagues and other schools. Yeah. So far, how many schools are participating?
18.
18 solid or good schools. That's so much. So, do you want your school to win or some other school to win?
Oh, my school.
Why do you want your school to win?
Because I'm here and they can't send the crown away, so I want it to remain here.
Oh, that's great. So, as far as this fair is concerned, is this something you want to be happening every year, or today should be the end of it?
It should be happening every year to know the talent of our colleagues and the rest.
Okay, that's great. So, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hello, Daniel.
Yes, sir.
Lucky, Ewenyigba TV there.
Yo. Good morning.
Morning. Lucky.
Milaji.
Akwe. Egyenye Saturday 1st April sikanya Science, Engineering and Technology Fair. Lucky expectation.
Expectation. Mija program agoma chovai. Egban overga jiga. Egbanye ground deba.
Okay. Ebe chomija goma vai egbanye ground deba. Nkanye o expectation as far as the Science, Engineering and Technology Fair is concerned.
Onya expectation nyaba school so avaga. Nyao program ika ruto wa. Nyawe
Abe how many schools so far you participate me?
Schools are madam and trainer.
School abe o madam and drive me le shock round aka approximately alo.
Yeah, hello.
Okay. Ka abe le fair allergy egbalo le ji ma je goma ho a enye nu na pobe na no ji epesia palo egba na nye mamleto.
Mara kuku anyu na ma do juju na ba onye pesi afo.
Okay, akpe no.